Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings and then go to flash notification. And here it is. Now here you can see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. Now if you enable camera flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the camera flash is flashing. Now if you enable screen flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the screen is flashing. Now if you tap here, from here you can change your screen flash notification color and you can choose any color as you want. If I select yellow color and then tap on done, then tap on preview, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.